Scroll through social media for 5 minutes, and you will see dozens of people promising you can make thousands of dollars online with absolutely zero upfront financial investment. Here is the harsh reality. Eliminating the financial barrier to entry does not eliminate the labor required to build an income. It just changes the currency you use to pay for it. This table illustrates the trade-off. By crossing out traditional business costs like capital and inventory, you trigger a hidden tax. We call this the sweat equity tax, the mandatory investment of time, consistency, and algorithm mastery required to replace cash capital. As this scale demonstrates, your hours carry weight. If you choose a side hustle that demands 10 hours a day when you only have 2, you will inevitably hit burnout and walk away with zero earnings. To find the right fit, we are going to use this matrix to evaluate 6 zero investment methods. We will measure the sweat equity ROI by plotting how long it takes to get your first payout against the maximum income you can realistically earn. You have $0 to spend, which makes your free time your most valuable asset. True zero investment success requires evaluating that time with the exact same ruthless rigor a venture capitalist applies to money. This matrix plots our first category, active micro-labor, squarely in the zone of fast payouts and strict income caps. Platforms like Funngro are designed for teenagers to exchange direct labor for cash. The input is straightforward. You actively complete specific brand campaigns, focus groups, or surveys provided by the platform. The advantage here is velocity. If you log on and complete a task today, you can realistically see a cash payout hit your account within 24 to 48 hours. You can apply this same model to website testing or online language tutoring. Taking just 20 minutes to test an app's interface can yield a benchmark rate of around 700 rupees. But you're trading hours for dollars. Your income is strictly tethered to your active waking hours. Because the moment you log off, get sick, or stop working, your revenue immediately drops to zero. Micro-labor provides essential, fast financial validation, but it inherently fails to build long-term scalable wealth. Updating our matrix, we map a secondary option, passive byproducts. This sits right in the middle, a moderate timeline to your first dollar, with a moderate cap on potential earnings. We call this the double dip, because the core input requires capturing labor you are already doing. If you are a student, you are already spending hours of your time taking detailed notes for your classes. Platforms like Stuvia allow you to upload those textbook summaries and flashcards to a digital marketplace. You retain full ownership, set your own market price, and sell those notes to other students studying the exact same material. This extends beyond academics. If you regularly take high-quality photos on your phone, apps like Shutterstock Contributor let you upload those images to a global marketplace, monetizing a hobby you already participate in. This funnel illustrates the major structural trade-off. The conversion rate for these assets is extremely low. You need to upload a massive volume of files at the top of the funnel to generate a consistent trickle of revenue at the bottom. You are leveraging the sunk cost of your daily routine. By uploading your existing work, you transform unavoidable chores into highly speculative but genuinely passive digital assets. Finally, our matrix plots scalable digital assets. Notice the extreme placement. This requires the longest, slowest wait for a payout, but offers an infinite ceiling on income. The inputs here are steep. You have to build an organic audience entirely from scratch and master a suite of digital creation tools. If you already organize your life or studies using software like Notion, you can duplicate those personal workspaces and package them as digital templates. Because digital products cost nothing to reproduce, you can distribute them infinitely. By setting up a free storefront on a platform like Payhip, you only pay a platform fee after a successful sale. Alternatively, you can step into high-retention content niches like true crime or gaming walkthroughs by launching a Faceless YouTube channel. You can build a highly profitable media brand without ever stepping in front of a camera by splicing together free stock footage, engaging narratives, and your own voiceover. The focus stays entirely on the story. A third scalable route is affiliate marketing. You create organic, highly searchable content on a free WordPress blog or TikTok and embed links to other companies' products. Networks like Amazon Associates and ShareASale cost $0 to join, allowing you to earn a commission every time a viewer purchases through your link. This graph exposes the brutal reality of the scalable path. You must endure a sustained zero return period. You will work completely uncompensated for 3 to 6 months, pouring effort into the system while algorithms slowly index your content. You can eventually sell a product while you sleep to someone halfway across the world. Scalable assets offer the only true path to asymmetrical upside, but they demand an extreme tolerance for delayed gratification. Evaluating these methods in a vacuum is helpful, but applying them to your actual life constraints is how you generate cash. This decision tree filters your options, starting with the single most critical constraint, your required time horizon. If your time horizon is measured in days, meaning you need cash immediately for an expense, you must avoid digital assets. Your path leads directly to active microlabor. By taking this path, you secure a guaranteed financial floor today, knowing you sacrifice the potential for scalable upside tomorrow. If your timeline is flexible by a few months and you are a full-time student, your path moves to the double dip. As an academic optimizer, you accept slow financial growth because this method protects your grades and causes zero disruption to your daily routine. Finally, if you have a horizon of months, no academic commitments, and ample free time, the tree points towards scalable assets. Choosing this path means actively consenting to friction. You are choosing to work for free today, betting on the mathematical probability that an audience will yield passive income down the road. There is no universal best method for making money online with $0. There is only the method that accurately aligns with the specific sweat equity you have available to spend. Choose your timeline, pick your model.